Think about the last time you discovered something online. Chances are you are on your phone. That's not a coincidence. Over 64% of global internet traffic today comes from mobile devices, according to StatCounter. And the people visiting your directory are your listing owners, your end user, or your customers, so they are no different. Most of them are finding you on a screen that fits in their pocket. Now here's the thing. Your directory website probably already works on mobile. It resizes, it loads, it functions, and that feels like enough. But there's a gap between works on mobile and lives on mobile. A website lives inside a browser tab, easy to open, and even easier to forget. It disappears beneath thousands of other tabs, waiting for users to return on their own. No notification, no spot on the home screen, no direct link to bring them back. An app is a different relationship entirely. When someone installs your directory app, it's on their phone. It can reach them, it reminds them you exist, it becomes part of how they interact with your platform, not something they have to go looking for. That habit is what turns a casual visitor into a regular user, and a regular user are what makes a directory actually grow. So if you're running your directory on Directorist, which runs on WordPress, you are probably wondering, how does an app even fit into this? Is it a completely separate thing I have to manage? The answer is no. The app is a direct extension of your existing directory. Everything you have already set up in WordPress, your listing, your categories, your location, your pages, it all syncs to the app automatically through your site's API. There's no duplicate management, no second system. What you build in directory shows up in the app. And because it's built specifically for you, it looks like your directory. Your branding, your structure, your content, not a generic white label template that looks like everyone else. Now the part most people ask about, do I need to be technical to get this? No, our team builds the app for you. We handle development, testing, submission to both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. All you need to do is own a developer account on each platform. So the app belongs to you, not us. We handle everything else. You end up with a native mobile app on both major stores, fully connected to your directory without writing a line of code. This is version 2 of the Directorist Mobile App and is a meaningful step forward from where things were. Let's walk through what's changed and, more importantly, what it means for you and the people who use your directory. The home screen now comes in multiple design layouts. You can switch between them from the setting panel. No code, no developer, just a setting you control. It means your app can look exactly how you want it to, and you can change it whenever you need to. Speaking of settings, there's now a centralized control panel in the app where you can manage much more than just the home screen. How individual listing display, what data shows on listing pages, and what links and menus your users see. It's all configurable from one place without having to touch WordPress for every small changes. You can also upload your brand logo directly into the app and choose custom icons for more section custom URLs from a searchable icon library. Small things, but they add up to an app that actually feels like yours. For listing owners, the people submitting their businesses to your directory, the creation process is now a step-by-step wizard. Instead of one long form, it's a guided flow that's much easier to complete on a phone. That matters because a smoother submission process means more listing actually get submitted. Listing owners can now also set and display their business hours directly from the app. It's one of those features that sounds simple but gets asked about constantly. In the map view, when users swipe through the listing cards, the map automatically centers on that listing pin. It makes browsing locations feel natural rather than chunky. In-app purchase through the Apple App Store are now fully working again, with order lists refreshing automatically after login, and the app opens faster and hang on the splashy screen that some user reported is fixed. So what does this cost? The Directorist Mobile App, available on both iOS and Android, is $299 per year. That's down from $499. And right now, the setup and App Store submission is included at no additional charge. Our team builds it, submits it, and gets it live for you at no extra cost. If you have running a directory without a mobile app, you have been leaving a part of your audience without a proper way to engage with your platform. This is a straightforward way to fix that. Visit directorist.com/mobile app to learn more or get started.